I love riding. I love the feeling of flight. Just being on a bike, you really don't have any limitations. Whenever I was 9 years old, I got my first bike. It was a Yamaha PW50, and it looked like a 90s jet ski with the purple and the yellow and just like the vibrancy of the colors back then. Austin has a pretty well-established motorcycle community. I was always surrounded by bikes. My father had a chopper, and it had like a skull on the side with fangs and like bullets in the grips, like flames going down the side. It was pretty outrageous. I was working dead-end jobs, working at bars, living the nightlife, partying way too much, more than I should. I wanted to shift into something that I was passionate about. So in the middle of the pandemic, I had a lot of time to focus on what I wanted to do with life, and I decided to open Cat Daddy Cycles as a shop and put that in front of people's faces and just let that motherfucker run. Customizing bikes is definitely a great way to set yourself apart from others. I've been working on bikes for the past 15 years, mainly just for myself, for my friends. I kind of shifted from working on bikes to clients and everything like that within this past year. So I do anything from full engine builds to tuning bikes, custom fabrication, I shape frames. I like the fact that I could take what is physically a piece of metal and make it function. It's almost like I'm breathing life into that. My main squeeze is trying to work on the custom aspect of things. So I really want to shift towards this being a boutique shop. In the future, I would like to take Cat Daddy to something that is internationally known. The friends, the amount of support that I've received has been very heartwarming. It's really cool to just have that support. It makes me feel like I'm on the right path.